Oh no, so much homework! I can't do all this! I'm so stressed! I'll call my friend and ask him how he finished all his holiday homework before Dad comes home.
During the summer holidays, a young boy discovers a huge pile of notebooks and exercises. He sits in front of his desk, worried, thinking about a solution. The boy is sitting on a bench in a park. The other children play while he thinks of a way to finish his homework quickly. The boy is trying to think calmly under a large tree. The boy is
Time
looking
to
for a
make
method
my
to
plan.
better organize his
Math,
work.
science,
The boy
and English.
imagines a vacation
Now it's all
schedule.
organized.
The boy is lying on his bed surrounded by notebooks. The boy is looking for a solution through technology. The boy is asking his parents for help. The boy imagines that a magical solution organizes all his homework. The boy dreams of a magical solution that organizes all his homework automatically. He finally realizes that doing a little homework every day is the key to finishing it all. After following his schedule and working a little every day, the boy finally finishes all his holiday homework.
The cell
Proud
is
of
the
himself,
basic unit
he
of
closes
life.
his last notebook,
All done!
neatly arranges his
Time for
desk, then
soccer!
takes his soccer ball and goes out to play with his friends.